We all start our espresso journey with the dose grind time process. For most, we are aiming for the 18-gram end distribute, temp, and hope for a 36-ish output. We tweak our grinder setting to get that ratio correct as best we could. But more often than not, we're faced with frustration and confusion. There's always something off during the process and outcome. Things like channeling, inconsistent flavor, and just bad coffee.
Here's a lesser discussed cause for these frustrations. Regardless of machine or beans you're using,
The relationship between your portafilter basket and group head is crucial. How your temp coffee reacts to the water and pressure matters greatly. When it comes to dealing with water to grind contact and channeling issues, Breville supplied the blade tool to help us out, and it's an underrated equipment.
The blade.
but most of us never use it after a few uses of the machine, thinking we're not newbies to need this.
The blade simply guides us on identifying the optimal top of buck to group head gap. It tells us if we've over or underfilled the basket regardless of grammage used. As bean type, roast time, grind size, all influence how much mass and volume. You can easily put the incorrect amount of grinds into the basket, causing extraction issues. For the Breville double shot basket, the ideal depth will be about 7 mm gap from top. You can set your distribution to or calibrated tamper to that height gap. Using your baseline dose and grind, if you're over the line, perhaps reduce dose or grind finer. This gap is crucial to allow the optimal distribution of infusion water, water pooling, and pressure for extraction. More often than not, grinding too fine or adding too much grind results to massive channeling.
Like what you see here. Now let's see after calibration.
Let's see if there's an improvement. Practically no more squirts and channeling. Minimal streaks caused by pushed out fine grounds as well. Nice and thick. Gorgeous cone. The main change is the basket grind dose volume. Go recalibrate your recipe and setting. Start with your 18 grams and grind size, then check with the blade. Adjust more or less according to height. Then time the shots until you're within range 25 to 35. Taste and adjust. Generally, go coarser if you're channeling and muddy. If you have a different machine, just keep track with a ruler. After a few tries, you'll be familiar with the height visually. The puck surface markings and the shower screen grounds will always give you feedback if the puck is touching anything. Hope this improves your coffee. Like, comment, subscribe.